Go on then.
Okay. This is because you have been a super patient boy. You have been so good this Christmas. You've been smiling, you've been loving, you've been kind. You were such a good boy at Gangan and Grandpa's house. And Mummy loves you very much. Okay?
Okay.
One bite only.
One bite only.
Singing in the rain.
Singing in the rain.
One bite only. No more.
No more.
Close your eyes. There you go. Okay? Absolutely no more. Okay? Absolutely no more. Thank you for being such a good boy, baby. Where is it, chicken? Oh my goodness, it's there.